Hey guys, this is Shalini and welcome to today's video. So it's very clear with the thumbnail, the topic I'm going to talk about. It's basically COVID, college and the situation we all are facing and how to overcome that. At some or the another point, we all have a question in our mind why. With different phrases, different sentences, but question is same why. As every situation we can't change the situation, but we can change the way we look at the situation. So here are a few tips to change our perspective towards the situation and taking it a bit more positive way and utilizing it in a bit more productive way. So first and foremost, I would like to suggest to start reading books. Reading books can be useful to grow knowledge of our own interest, to enhance reading skill for personality development as well as to get motivated. So here are few of my favorite books which I would like to recommend you to start your reading journey. Go for any one of them. They all are great books. As well, you can go for learning skills like go on Google Chrome, type Coursera, search for the website, select your favorite course, see the college you want to learn the course, see the reviews of the college, go for the course, or you can go for the skills like public speaking, get the course. There are thousands of skills and thousands of courses for the skill you want to learn on such websites. Or you can go to the websites like Udemy, go for your favorite skills and start learning it today. You can also check for the websites like Skillshare, search for your favorite skills you want to learn, and you can learn anything from the comfort of your home. And why to go somewhere else if YouTube itself is providing such a big platform to learn and to grow? Can work on self-care as well as opting a healthy lifestyle. Skills you can basically work are technical, communication, financial, or it can be creative. You can utilize any of these skills in your own productive way. You can work today on your interest and may it can turn out to be bliss for coming years, who knows. So this is for today's video. Thank you for watching.